Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
First, determine whether your firewall is software or hardware, and note the model or OS. This step prevents wrong diagnostics and saves time. Next, check the firewall status using the device GUI or the command line. Use clear commands or the dashboard to see active rules. Also look specifically for blocked ports like 80 or 443 and note the exact port numbers. Record any recent configuration changes within the last 7 days to trace new issues. Use ping and traceroute to test basic connectivity to affected hosts first. These tools show whether packets reach the network edge or stop at the firewall. Then review the firewall rule list and check rule order carefully, prioritizing explicit allow rules before deny rules. Temporarily disable suspicious rules, one at a time, and test traffic to identify which rule blocks the connection. Always document the original rule settings before changing them to ensure safe rollback. Apply targeted fixes once you identify the root cause, such as opening port 22 or 443 when needed. Do not open broad port ranges. Allow only required IPs or subnets with specific rules. Harden the firewall by removing unused services and applying the latest firmware or software patches. Enable detailed logging and set alerts for repeated blocks or suspicious traffic to catch regressions. Finally, schedule periodic reviews and backups of the configuration every 30 days to keep settings reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.